buza posti kimoja. Obayam kakatonawo kuva ku poto ya mkakatonawo. Netre. Kevin. Bana kanon. Kama kutawa Manchester Anaro
it's this nail patch, and which is supposed to go for 20 inches, but now it is measuring 6 inches compared to 20. It is measuring 6.5 inches compared to the 11 inches. This is nail tilapia. Here, for its normal size, I mean acceptable size, it's supposed to be 20 inches. And on my tape here, it's supposed to run from 0 here up to 20 inches here.
Arafi kubwa iko wapi? Iko ndani.
Kuna zile kubwa kubwa. Hii box kuna nini? They are of the same species. This is nail patch, Lotica species. So you are seeing this one here. This is just 6 inches compared to 20 inches. This is 18 inches compared to 20 inches. Just this one is just less by 2 inches to make what a required size. You see, someone goes to harvest this and someone goes to harvest this. However, this one has tried a little, but still condemned. This one, I don't know what I can even say about this one here.
Two impounded trucks that were carrying immature fish. I want to give you the background. These trucks were not the original trucks that were bringing this fish from wherever they had been consolidated. It was one truck that brought this fish, and we had intelligence, and so we were tracking it. But I think they also got a tip-off that we were following it, and we were only waiting to impound it at the right time, at the right place. And so they hid, and they offloaded the truck and loaded into 2 trucks. Some of the owners were arrested, and they are currently at police pending court, which is they may appear in court today at midday. This is a consolidation of so many people. They are not, this fish is not for one person, or it is not for 2 people. It is a consolidation of many people. They bring in small quantities and they consolidate in houses. Then after they get a truck and load. But it is good that we had intelligence and we have been following them. And so we were lucky enough that we impounded these trucks here. The quantity of the fish is approximately 6 tons loaded in 2 trucks. as you have witnessed already. I may not estimate clearly the value, but the value of the total fish could be over 100 million shillings.
Kuiha ntugara katari kunu ya Uganda kukorga Congo akampondwe smuggling ebinja bye bikachendera almost nko mukwezi noshanga watunga munka wahirwa nuko bayine bwakiro nka 2 10 kunga cyo sitakageze ku ntugara katari kunu mu Uganda cyo sitakageze kutunga emmotoka nkezo nazi kuva twakomya wakatari kuva Congo tukaleta wano mu Uganda mpondo mwara batwa openinga kafande Lieutenant Colonel Maseka yateka manige naka open kazelu kuvoro tufunanga kwekintu ekikola ki era tusobola kukiriza nikikola crossing mpoza bayite kubo abasimagoro maye munji asobola kuyite walala naitawa na crossing naye kuveryo kati tubadde tulide okufuna ebingana byo tubadde tufunanga 200 300 kilograms naye nga bagenda wa mukatale wano ubusi bagala crossing agenda naye wano tubadde tulide okufuna bintu ebyo nga bingana byo biti.
You know, we have 8 markets, and every market has 4 trucks of food. So the 4 trucks that will afford on every market for the Sudanese, they have no license. One side of them is under their company. They are saying the Sudanese vehicles are all under their company.